Hey all, this final program is going to pull together everything you know about Python and Simple GUI here. So I just gave you some starter code that's going to have this graphic, sort of like a race with the starting line in green and then the finish line in red. And that has two buttons over here, the start race and the reset button. So your goal is to first build these two vehicles. One represents Agora, the other one represents Westlake. The Agora one, take note of the detail. It is a rectangle with four circles that perfectly fit inside that rectangle with this color scheme right there. And then the Westlake has this square or diamond here with two different colors. Agora, excuse me, the orange and blue. It has a white tail, and the end of the tail is in the orange tint in here. So your goal is to write some code to have a race. So when we click the start button, we are running a race, and it looks like Agora is going to win this one by just a little bit. And notice the score changes. We have Agora 1, Westlake 0. We click the reset button, they go back. We start another race, and now it looks like Agora is going to pull this one out again by just a nose. And sure enough, it's 2-0. I reset one more time. And now it looks like Westlake is going to run away with this race. It is 2-1. Now the game ends in a best of five race. So best of five means the first team to have three wins, the game is over. So let's see. I'm going to start race again. And so it looks like Westlake is going to win the fourth race. So it's 2-2. And then we're going to reset one final time because it's best of five. This is the fifth and final race. And we click start race, and Agora is going to run away with this. So at the end of the program, after someone gets three wins, you're then going to display a message game over in the center of the screen. And notice these two buttons are now disabled. They are not working because all five matches have taken place and the game is over. So enjoy and get coding.